Here's my movie. Potato. You're grounded, grounded, grounded. Go to your room right this instant.
Potato 2.0. Oh.
It's me again.
Hey. How dare you make a bad video out of me? That's it.
I wish to
I will give
serenade
you a
May
job.
I? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, honey, pets. I wish to serenade you with potato inflictions. May I?
No, my EG is dark mode, no.
This is boring. Not this. What I just said, but the silence.
Okay.
Please take it! Take it! Well, I guess you can't always say yes.
I'm
I
going
will
to
try
go
again
to paint.
later. Please take it! Take it!
I will finish my drawing.
Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Yes,
From
yes,
potato
yes, yes.
gets grounded.
Oh man, you're trending on potato media right now. Good. Yes, good. You bring out the art in me. Here, I made this ASCII for you. Thank you. Your supportiveness for my art speaks volumes. You're the best friend a potato could ever hope for. I'm the best possible potato, all because of you. You inspire. I made an art for you. Although I'm shy about it, I know you'll like
Now
it.
you.
Here, I wrote a poem. Can't your hair to
No.
look that great. I wish I had hair, but I'm a potato. Potato! You bring out the art in
Time
me.
to feed
Here,
him. I
made
don't
this
want.
ASCII
Time to
for you.
feed him. I don't wanna.
Oh, such a
I know
cruel
you. Time to feed
rejection.
him. I don't wanna do it, but he wanted to.
I made an ASCII art for you. Please take it.
Make him
I
drink.
respect your decision. That helps me a lot. It's important to stay hydrated.
Time to uninstall this us.
I made an art for you.
You're true.
I love you even more now, even though you have rejected my art, and therefore the...
Ha ha! I win.